It's your girl. This is like so like not even me. Like it looks. Anyway. What's up, guys? It's your girl, and I am back on another video. So today we're going to do a review. Okay, so let me just move this back here. Okay, so I've already opened it. This came from a company called Bow-Lievable Treatz. Let me turn around. I see. Oh, look. I look good. I'm sorry. Review time. So this came from a company by the name of Bow-Lievable Treatz. Now, this company is actually run by my cousin. And she sent me some treats. So I did open it and I did look at what's in it. And I am amazed and intrigued. And I want to show you guys what's in the box. You ready? Okay, again, it's called Bow-Lievable Treatz. So, first of all, you open the box. She got all the pretty little confetti. It's cute. It's all crinkly. And if I don't hurry up and keep this contained, that it'll be all over the house. So I'm gonna go ahead and just leave that leave that there. So put this to the side. So she makes bows. So this bow is a unicorn bow. Can you see it? Very, very pretty. Very pretty. And it looks like it's a headband for a little girl. Aww. Okay, I'm gonna sit this right here. Is it gonna sit up? Okay. Then we have this bow. This bow is also cute. This is like a hair bow. This is beautiful. And it has the, you see the design, this, the pink glitter. Can y'all see that? It's my, okay. Very, very cute. It's a hair bow. Put it in your hair. Y'all know I'm bald-headed, but let's see. Can we put this? Oh, it stayed. Okay, take it up. Take it up. Okay, take it out. Okay, so we'll put this one here, and we have. This is cute. The Mickey Mouse hair bow. Look at that. Can you see? Is it good? Can you see it good? That is so cute. Linda. Y'all see it? Okay. And we have this pretty, it's also pink glitter. And this is a bow tie. It's a bow tie. Let's see. Bow tie. It's a bow tie and it has the, I don't know how to, okay. Has the little thing for you to tie. Let's see. Definitely not for adults. No, this is cute. Okay. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Love it. Love it. Okay. Let's sit this here. And this one actually made me cry. So I'm glad I did open this box before I did this review. Okay. Because I don't want to cry on camera. But like I said, the owner of Bow-Lievable Treatz is my cousin. She sent me a bow. Let me get up and come closer. The bow, focus, says Brelyn. Says Brelyn, my daughter. So you know this bow made me cry. Let me just back up. You know this bow made me cry. So I'm glad I opened the package before I actually showed you guys. So yes, Linda, thank you so much. Yeah, this is this means a lot. Means a lot. So let's put, and that's all we got here. So let's go ahead and contain all the confetti strips here. Okay, put that there. And she also sends you a little ice cream cone. Oh no, I don't even. Sorry. She sent you a little ice cream cone. She said this is filled with candy. Y'all know I like candy. So let's see. How can we open it? Y'all know I like candy. So let's open it. How do we open it? I guess I can just tear it open. Just tear it open. Like, so cute though. Like, you don't want to destroy anything. Oh, wait a minute. More confetti strips. Let's just open this box here. Just more confetti strips. So we got, oh, the kids will love this. If you buy this, if you buy, you know, well, she said that she sends the ice cream, the candy filled ice cream cones with every order. So the kids will like it. Taffy. What we got here? Is there more candy up there? Well, that's just the ice cream, holding the ice cream. Oh, that's cute how she did that. I'm not gonna show y'all how she did it. Y'all gonna have to purchase something. Oh, we got some candy. We got some taffies. I love taffies. I'll be sitting here working, sucking on these bad boys. Keep your mind out the gutter, okay? It's ridiculous. Anyway, got some candy. And this is so cute what she got in here, but I'm gonna let you guys order from her so you can see how she made this cone. So let's make sure we get all of our confetti strips. So I was very shocked when I opened and sold this bow. So what I'm going to do is, I think all of this stuff is so beautiful and very, very creative. I don't think I would be able to make bows. So this is awesome. This is very, look at the unicorn though. Little headband. This is entirely cute. Entirely too cute. So what I'm going to do with these bows is, because y'all know all I have is boys. And it's like everybody that I know is having babies keep having boys. So I have bows here. So what I'm going to do is give them away. Yeah! Yeah! I'm going to give away these 4 bows because you know this one stays. This one stays. Okay? So this goes over here because y'all can't have that. Okay? But I'm going to give away these 4 bows. We have a bow tie, have a hair bow, we have another hair bow, and we have a headband. Unicorn headband. So I'm going to give these away. I am going to pick out of everybody who either drops a comment down below. Also, my Instagram post, I'm going to take a picture with these bows, and I need you to comment and just say Bow-Lievable. I would use a computer generator and I would pick a winner. So it's going to be 4 winners though. Okay, 4 winners because I want to bless 4 people. So 4 winners. Somebody gets I think these 2 might be a set. So 3 winners. Somebody gets these 2 bows. All of Bow-Lievable Treatz information is in the description down below. You can also see it right down the bottom of the screen. You see it right at the bottom of the screen. You see it? You should see it because it's there. So with that being said, you guys are awesome. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Make sure you check out Jahgroup. That's JAHGROUP.online. And they have at the very top, they have tabs. You're going to click on Bow-Lievable Treatz. And check out what she has. Purchase something. Tell her that Breezee sent you. Okay? You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And guess what I need you to do? Guess what I need you. No. You. Yeah, and you too.